Hey there, everybody. It is Tuesday, and here at Crate Insider, that means it's time for Top 5 Tuesday. I am your host, Kate Dillon. I want to thank you so much for watching. And in this edition, we're going to take a look at 5 of our most popular products here in the store. So stay tuned. Let's go ahead and take a look. One of our top products this week is our mud covers. Now, these are from Kaiser. Obviously, we love being a Kaiser wheel dealer. And with these mud covers, these are a bolt-on cover. What I love is that you can see that these bolts are stuck in here with that way you don't have to worry about falling on the ground or any of that other stuff. So they're already, designed right there in it. I like how there's a circle in the center here, so it makes it really easy to deal with these wheel covers and be able to put them on. So these are an aluminum wheel cover, and we do have them in a polished version, or we have the powder coated black, which tend to be the most popular. As you're getting your trailer stocked up this season to go to the racetrack, one nice little addition right here is our wheel cover holder from All-Star. And this works out really well. You can see you can just go ahead and put this right, bolt this, well, you can bolt it on the wall of your shop too, but I can see it used probably more often in your trailer. And then here we go. Your wheel covers just fit right in there, and that way it's a great spot to store them when they're not being used. So you can see you can get multiples of those, and I believe we have all of these wheel cover holders are in white. Of course, you could do whatever you wanted to, peel that sticker off, paint them whatever color you want. But the wheel cover holders, they're a great little asset for you going into the season. One of our hot products this week is our front drive kit from KRC. Now, what's really nice about this is going to be a crank to water pump kit. Works really well, for your 602s, for your 604s. And this would be running just the water pump, off the crank right there in the front of your engine, which means you'd probably be running either a tandem pump on the back or a fuel pump and the other things, power steering and stuff from the back. So this includes like the pulley, both of the pulleys. It's got the belt with it, all the hardware you need to install this. And so really one of our hot products, definitely a really good choice for when you're putting your whole package together and trying to get a really nice lightweight front drive that's going to give you some great performance. So our KRC front drive kit, and available right here at CrateInsider.com. Now, you might already have a radiator cap, and even if you do, I would definitely recommend picking up one of these and just at least having it. What's great about the Arts radiator caps is these are rated for between 28 and 31 pounds, and they've already been verified as well. So, sometimes we're just as, we're dependent upon the tools that we use. And when we've got a radiator cap, if we didn't know any better, there have definitely been guys out there that their radiator caps were the failure point and they didn't even realize it. So when you've got something that you can really count on, it's going to make the difference. So the Arts radiator cap, we're proud to carry them here at Crate Insider, and you can just click the button and we'll send this right out the door to you. So Arts radiator cap here at Crate Insider. Hey there, so one of our top products this week is going to be our day loop. Now, whether you decide to buy it in the tube or if you decide to buy it by the jar, obviously it's the same product, it's just in different types of containers. But the day loop is a great choice for any of the greasing you need to do, especially for greasing bearings. And as we get into the new season, it's a great opportunity to clean up your bearings, go ahead and re-grease them. And just a little side note, make sure you're greasing every other one, because we don't want to get them overly packed, and that way it still allows airflow to get through your bearings. So the day loop, it's a great choice. It's a nano ceramic grease, and we've been selling it for years, had a lot of successful customers with it. So definitely on our recommendations list for sure. So day loop, you can pick up a tube or a jar today. All right, so there we have it for Top 5 Tuesday for this week. As a reminder, too, I want to, if you haven't seen like last week, is that we have released all of the recommendations sheets that we have for 602, for 604, and for the CT525 for the very first time. And so wherever you're seeing this video, we'll make sure we link that into the description. But head on over, download those recommendations, and there's a little bit more explanation, a little bit like what I do here on Top 5 Tuesday, but in different systems. There's different things like timing and all kinds of other tips and tricks, and you can find those by just going to CrateInsider.com, and then you can find the post about the recommendations. So check those out, and if you have any questions, drop them into the comments, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.